Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to disinfect your vegetables and also how to freeze them for longer use. I brought tindura, okra, anakaya, which is lauki, and birkaya, which is turai, eggplant or brinjal, and spinach. So today I'm going to show you how to freeze all of our Indian vegetables. First, let's go and watch how to clean them, how to disinfect them. First of all, fill some water in a big jar and add some lemon juice and also some baking soda. So I'm going to put all my vegetables here and wash them. That's how we disinfected them. As you saw, that's how we disinfected them with water, with some running water, and put some baking soda and lemon juice in it. And I washed all my vegetables, including spinach, tindura, lauki, birkaya, okra, and eggplant. Now we are gonna air dry them, or you can sun dry them. As you can see, this is how I sun dry them for 1 or 2 hours. You can also air dry them if you don't have sun. And yes, so this is how I sun dry all my vegetables for 1 or 2 hours. Then bring them back and freeze them. Cut them into pieces and freeze them. I brought all the vegetables inside and I am going to chop them. You can chop them any size or depending on how you want to make the curry, how you usually make the curries, any size of your choice. Let's go chop them. So for turai or birkai, I don't usually throw the skin off. I save that too so that I can make chutneys with them. So I take the outer layer, so which is this. I save this. I cut them into pieces and save them so that I can make chutneys. You can see my chopping is done, and let me show you how I freeze them now. And you can see you can chop them any size you want. These are anapkaya. This is for my sambar. It's the same vegetable, but I chopped it according to how I make it. And this is birkaya turai, and I also save the skin of the birkaya so that I can make chutneys. I don't throw it. I chop my okra, I chop the spinach, I chop the tindura, dondakaya to different sizes. This is round shape, this is sphere shape, and this is my brinjal or eggplant. Now let's freeze them. Friends, take a Ziploc bag and put your vegetables. And make sure you seal them so tightly with no air inside, like air seal. Make sure there is no air inside. Shrink it. So that's it, friends. That's how you store your vegetables in a Ziploc, and you can freeze them for up to 2 to 3 months. They will be fresh and good to eat. Here you go, friends. My vegetables are ready to be stored or frozen in the fridge, and they are good for 2 to 3 months. Please like, share, and subscribe, and also share with your friends who want to know how to disinfect the vegetables or how to freeze them for a longer use. Thank you, friends. Bye.